Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have Xiaomi Mi True Wireless Pro 2 headphones and I'm going to show you how can you easily change tips. To change your ear tips, at first you have to remove both of your headphones from your case. Now you have to just do something like that and pull it to your side. Now you have to put it back on, you have to do something like that and pull it straight into your speaker. As you can see, it's easy and not that dangerous. That's it, hope it helps you. Goodbye.